If you're using Snapchat on an Android phone, learning how to update Snapchat is a must. In this quick and easy Snapchat tutorial, I will show you how to do it in just a few minutes. So whether you're having trouble with the app or you just want to make sure you have the latest features, watch this video until the very end and follow along. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. To get started, first open up your Google Play Store and then tap on this search bar up top and search for Snapchat. To the right of Snapchat, it will either say, Open, or Update. If it says Open, that means you are using the latest version of the Snapchat app. If it says Update, then you need to update your app as soon as possible. Another way to check whether there is an update available for your Snapchat app is to go back and tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen. And it will show you a bunch of options. So, from this menu, select Manage Apps and Device. As you can see, there is an option called Updates Available, so go ahead and tap on that and it will show you all of the updates available for your apps that are installed on your device. As you can see, there is an update available for Snapchat. So what you want to do next is tap on the Update button over here, and it will start to download and update your Snapchat app. If you don't want to manually update your Snapchat app, what you can do is go back and tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen, and then tap on Settings, and then tap on Network Preference. After that, tap on Auto Update Apps and set it to Auto Update over Wi-Fi only, then tap on Done. And it will download and install any updates automatically without you having to manually update each and every app. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. If this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.